previous episode. Adil from Nigeria asked about the Nafl prayers, the supererogatory prayers. And he mentioned number 12. He said, how are we supposed to recite in them, out loud or secretly? Yes, indeed, the number of the emphatic Sunnah is 12, according to a narration in which the Prophet ﷺ says, whoever observes 12 rak'ahs of every day, the voluntary prayers, Allah will build a house for him in paradise. The 12 rak'ahs have been discussed repeatedly, but for the purpose of maximizing the benefit, we would like to repeat them. 4 rak'ahs, 2 by 2 before Zhuhr, 2 after Zhuhr, and 2 after Maghrib, 2 after Isha, and 2 before Fajr. These are the emphatic Sunnah that the Prophet ﷺ put a lot of emphasis on. There are non-emphatic Sunnah as well, in addition to the night prayer, in addition to the duha prayer, etc. So how are we going to go about reciting in these prayers? If it is an emphatic Sunnah or a non-emphatic Sunnah, a voluntary prayer that's offered during the prayer time of the Fard, in which we recite out loud, then you may recite out loud if you are reading by yourself or leading the prayer. And it will be recommended to be between a loud and a secret recitation, so that you can only hear yourself, such as in the Sunnah of Maghrib or the Sunnah of Isha. But if you're reciting, if you're, for instance, attending these prayers in the masjid, you should be reciting secretly, without a loud voice, not to disturb others as well.